Hello again, everyone. So this is a really exciting unboxing. This is my husband's birthday gift to me. Uh, it came late because it took a little while for this to be made. So I'm just going to get right in there. So this sticker is a clue as to what this is. And I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. All right, so this is a TWSBI, but it is a custom grind, and it is my very first custom grind, so I'm super, super excited. All right, so let's see where it's, okay. So this obviously has been opened before because the nib grinder had to get this out in order to put the, oh, he made a little thing on the bottom. I could have just done that. Okay. So this is a smoke rose gold, so this will be my second smoke rose gold, but that's okay because I really like the smoke rose gold. And this has an architect nib on it. I don't know if you can see. So it's a lot like the Zoom nib from Sailor, I think, but different because I'll show you how it works. I'm going to go ahead and ink this up. It looks like it was cleaned out because they had to test it. But yeah, this is super exciting. And this is, the nib grinder is who did this custom nib. And I have to admit, I kind of cheated a little bit when my husband said, well, what do you want for your birthday? And I said like a variety of fountain pen related things. And this is the one he picked out of that because I was saying, well, I'd like to kind of try an architect grind nib in the long litany of things that I was talking about. And this is the one he chose. So I'm going to put Robert Oster Astroquiza Rot in here. I thought about going matchy-matchy, but this is such a beautiful ink, and I thought it would be a good thing to show off the attributes of this nib. So let's see. Oh, I should have done that first. Should have pushed that down first. Now I'm just pushing air into my ink bottle. So I'm going to go up and down a couple of times. Put that ink in there. Just was so excited. Okay. So that must be how I get ink on my fingers. I must press on the top of the bottle, and that's how I'm getting ink there. All right, so let's get that ink off. Super exciting. All right, I'm going to close this bottle. Put that over there. And I'm gonna write with this unposted to see. Let's see. I'm gonna pick a new page. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom in for my writing. And I'm going to do block letters because this particular nib is made for block lettering for the most part. TWSBI. Diamond. 580. Smoke. Rose. Gold, and this is an architect nib custom grind. So this is really cool. So essentially it's the opposite of, sorry, I got a little bit of that other frame there. So essentially this is the opposite of a stub nib. So when you go up and down, you're getting a thinner line, and when you go side to side, you're getting a wider line. So I do kind of want to see what cursive looks like with this, because it's supposedly not really designed for cursive. I wanted it because I wanted it to kind of look like, the writing on architects' drawings. And I used to do a lot of set design where I kind of got into that lettering quite a bit, because it's essentially like architects' drawings, the plans for set design, you do the same kind of thing. So, but here I'm going to try some cursive. So let's see. The quick brown box jumped over the lazy dog. It actually looks really nice. You don't see as much of the variation, but it's still really pretty. All right, this is so cool. All right, I'm really super stoked. All right, so there you are, my first custom knit. All right, so that's it for today. Feel free to like and or subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks so much. Bye.